Petition civil matter, it's a pension matter, last listed on 28th of March.
Hello? 30.
My lord, I'll apply.
May I have your lordship? Lordship, in item number 40 of today's list, lordship, the government has filed an affidavit. I need to obtain some instructions from the client, lordship. Can it be taken up after 3 weeks, lordship?
Counsel for the respondent, Mr. Adam.
All right, lordship.
My lord, this is a motion matter, my lord. We said, my lord, for Monday, my lord. Last came on 11/8, my lord. Thereafter has not come, my lord. Therefore, my lord, on
It
Monday.
will not come on Monday, it will come on Wednesday.
Lordship.
Today being a holiday. Do it on
Wednesday.
Wednesday. 30th. Yes, Mr.
May I please, my lord, item 32, your lordship will see the cause list, my lord. In fact, the name of the counsel for the petitioner is not reflected. My lord, I am for the respondent department. In fact, my lord, an appeal is pending, my lord, disposal of this writ petition. So can it be on Wednesday, my lord? 30th of August, my lord.
Monday, any problem?
No problem, my lord. But Monday, I think, my lord, Monday. खुला है ना?
Monday.
On Monday, my lord. Obliged.
Yes, that's why I did to mention from listing, my lord, matter relating to no confidence motion, my lord. Last question, my lord, matter was left over.
আজি কি মানে? আজি তো 25 তারিখ।
29th before the appropriate times. Yes, few people come this side.
May I please, your lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 37, 38, and 39, my lord. Analogous matter, my lord. In this matter, my lord, what happened? The entire company, my lord, Hindustan Paper Corporation is in liquidation, my lord. So I shall have to implement liquidator, my lord. Already I have filed, my lord, impeachment petition yesterday, my lord. Let the matter come along with this petition, my lord.
On the prayer of the council for the, have you informed the other side?
Lordship,
Because after some time the other side will come that you have not
no,
informed.
my lord, my senior colleague, my lord, Mr. By the Mili Hazarika, my lord.
You have
He is
informed?
not- Yes, lordship.
Lord, I'm sorry to
Obliged.
interrupt. Lord, in fact, one observation should go, my lord, in item 32 to reflect the name of the petitioner.
Please,
Obliged,
lord. Lordship,
Monday for you.
Counsel for the petition.
Order to later.
Obliged.
So item number 29, lordship. So matter relating to non-payment of AR salary, gratuity and leave interest and lordship of Assam Painter Government Corporation, lordship. A series of matters are fixed on the 15th of September, lordship.
Is pending. But those matters my lord already in some executive file. Because plain fact corporation is to verify they have changed. So my lord, that fast phase, this is now that part is not yet over, my lord. So let this remain separate, my lord.
Let it be there. We are not passing any order at this moment. Let the matter reach.
yes, may I please, lordship. Lordship, pair for listing at WBC, lordship. It's a service matter, lordship. The petitioner is dismissed from his service in the year 2009, lordship. From that time, he is suffering, lordship.
31st.
Obliged, lordship.
Lordship may pay for a permission to move an unlisted writ petition, lordship. Which is a transfer matter, lordship.
When the order
I-
was issued.
Order was issued on 21/8/2023. I preferred a representation. Representation is pending. Now the headmistress is trying to release me, lordship. Today I have filed it, lordship, just now,
Inform the other side,
lordship. Much obliged,
but it should not be defective. If it is defective, it will not come.
lordship.
Subject to clearance of the defect. Yes.
May I please, lordship, I have to mention listing for writ petition of 2019 matter, lordship. Matter is related to service matter. Lastly, it was listed on 6/1/2023.
This will come for what? For
Admission,
order?
admission, lordship.
Friday next, 10th.
Obliged.
May I please,
Not
lordship.
1st of September.
May I please, lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship, these matters were mentioned in the last week, your lordship. Your lordship allowed it for today, your lordship. But in the end, it did not come up. May I pray that in the next week, may
It will be on 1st of September.
oblige me.
May I please, lordship, I beg to mention prayer for listing. We are the petitioner, my lordship, WBC number
10233/2023. Kindly read the matter on Friday, my lord. For mention, the matter is very urgent because matter is related to transfer.
When did you file? What is the case number?
Case number 10233
Of which year?
oblique 2023.
Okay, on Wednesday, 30/30.
Item number 21 of today's list, my lord, item 21, we need to file a reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the Employee Provident Fund, my lord. I'm just praying for 2 weeks accommodation, my lord.
Have you informed the other side?
I've informed that standing counsel, my lord, Chakraborty, my lord, Mr. Chakraborty for EPF. Item 21, my lord.
Counsel for the petition.
Obliged, deeply
May I
obliged.
please, Lordship? Kindly take this, kindly list the matter on Monday, Lordship. Matter is very urgent, Lordship. Matter is relating to transfer, Lordship. Release order was passed on 12/8/23, Lordship.
When did you file?
23/8, Lordship.
When they go subject to.
I beg to mention item 36, Lordship, the mail hearing, my lord. The CD has not been received. I could not inform the my lord, others I tried to reach, my lord. So
Okay. This will come from which?
it's from Digboi, my lord. Digboi, please.
On 1st of September.
Lordship. I'm deeply obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25, Lordship. In this case, Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. PP Bor Thakur, Lordship. With the consent of the other, Lordship, the on affidavit has been filed by the respondent authorities. I would like to file reply, Lordship. So 2 weeks.
Item number 18, my lord. In this case, my lord, one of my primary prayer was for pension. My lord, I have been given the pension, my lord. Therefore, my lord, I am not pressing the other prayers. My lord, I will withdraw the petition, my lord. Pension has been given to me, my lord.
I'm Dr. Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. K. Google Standing Counsel Higher Education for respondent number 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, and 4, as well as Mr. P. Nayak Standing Counsel Finance. Appearing for finance, sir? Yes. For the respondent number 2. During the deliberation of the matter. Doctor and counsel for the petitioner placed before the court copy of the order dated 11/01/2023 issued by the Principal Accountant General within the KTE Assam, Guwahati, pertaining to issuance of pension pay order number 800 211 296628 in favor of the petitioner, as the respondent authorities have already issued pension pay order in favor of the petitioner. On instruction, Mr. Dr. submitted that petitioner is not pressing this petition. Because the learned counsels for the respondents have no objection, accordingly, petition stands dismissed as not pressed. The copy of the communication dated 11/01/2023, Principal Accountant General Assam, noted above, be kept as a part of the record.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Pleasure, Lordships. Petitioner before your Lordships was initially appointed as assistant teacher in the school of Paschim Borbhag High Secondary School on 17/5/1994. He joined on 18/5/1994, my lord. Now he is retired, my lord. Before retired, my lord, they have count, my lord, petitioners, Gacity and all. Yes, ma'am.
Counsel for the petition. And Mr. Yu Sharma, standing counsel, Department of School. Second. Petition number 124. Mr. Pina, standing counsel, finance for the respondent number 3 and 7. Mr. R. Rahman, London, standing counsel, ADA Assam for the respondent number
Accountant.
6. Petitioner, as such, no
Treasury
comment by Monday. Petitioner shall take script for the respondent number 5 by registered property. Petitioner is also allowed to take script on the respondent number 5 by the state pertaining conditions. Pendency of this petition shall not be about to release the pensionary benefits to the petitioner. That's what is that in accordance with there is no impediment in the same.
Highly obliged.
The petitioner is agreed by the fact that the junior incumbent to her is drawing higher pay than her lordship, and she is praying for equalization of her pay at par with performer respondent number 6 lordship. Lordship, the honorable court lordship in case of a similarly placed incumbent lordship had earlier directed the authorities to consider equalization pay in respect of junior incumbents who are drawing lordship lesser pay in case that lordship will find at page 35 lordship. Lordship, she having approached the AG lordship, AG made a comparison, and that lordship will find that page 26 lordship. It starts at page 26.
Mr. Gogoi, just clarify one thing. You have seen here the claim of the petitioner
Regarding lordship, PhD,
3 increment. But say for example, we want to know from you.
lordship, prior
Here the
to
petitioner has placed a order wherein one lecturer of a particular college who
Lordship,
obtained PhD degree was
lordship,
obtained PhD in the year 2011
lordship,
and granted the 3 advance increment
lordship,
with effect from 1st of July 2012.
lordship,
That was the first case where comparing that
lordship,
the petitioner of this WPC 8834
lordship,
she also obtained her PhD degree in the year 2003.
prior to 2005, there was a 2 advance increments there, lordship. After 2006, the 3 advance increment is there, lordship. That's why, lordship, there is a difference, lordship.
No, it's okay. Now, those who have done
Lordship,
their PhD degree prior to 2005,
lordship, they are getting 2 advance increment, lordship, for the obtaining of the PhD.
and those who have done
After 2006, lordship, they are getting 3 advance increment. Admittedly, the here, lordship, the former respondent number in 2008, lordship. So she is getting, lordship, 3 advance increment, lordship. That 3 advance increment is higher. Lordship may kindly page 27, it will be reflected. Page 26, the comparison which was by senior accounts officer, lordship. Page 26 is in respect of the petitioner's, lordship. It's on bottom, lordship, 7 column, lordship. The increment of 2 advance increment was given to the petitioner in 2002, lordship. 2002, lordship, after acquiring the PhD, lordship. And then next page, lordship, 27. Here, lordship, in 2008, lordship, the 3 advance increment was given, lordship, to the former respondent, lordship. It's automatically, lordship, it will be higher, lordship. We'll clarify by way of affidavit, lordship.
No, that's true, but thing is what we have noticed.
Lordship,
If somebody is entitled for the increment
lordship,
after the PhD
lordship,
and they are approaching the authority
lordship,
not immediately.
lordship,
Say for example, Ajay Chaudhary,
lordship,
brother Bodua has laid down very clearly that if he is arrested in custody, he has
then,
to
lordship,
come out.
after that will
He
be
has to
count
file
after
an
release of
application.
the,
He has
lordship,
to file an application, bring it to the
Lordship, notice to the
he has been
authority.
released, and that 90 days period will
Count
start from that particular.
that particular
Count-
day, even, lordship, the observation is there from the date of the release, lordship.
Right. So here,
Lordship,
what we want to know, what in various cases that we have noticed,
lordship,
is that you are giving in from different dates. Say
Yes.
for example, a person has obtained his or her PhD degree sometimes in the year 2009.
lordship.
Definitely 3 increments.
3 increment will be given, lordship.
Right. And such lecturers or whoever the incumbent, they have brought it to the notice of their higher education.
In
sometimes in
2011,
12
lordship.
or 2013
11.
or in 11.
After,
By the time the ROP has.
lordship,
brought in
2010 is already.
But why you are giving it from 12, 13? Why not from the date when the candidate has obtained a PhD?
It should be from the date, from the when candidate is, lordship, acquiring his PhD,
Exactly.
lordship.
Why not?
Yes,
Why
there
are
is a
you not doing
discrepancy in the series case,
No,
lordship,
that is why we understand even the finance is also giving approval.
lordship. That is the issue, lordship.
Why finance is giving approval?
Lordship,
That's how we see
Lord,
something else.
today, lordship, in camera, I cannot say. Something is there, lordship. I cannot.
After all, public money. You
I
should
cannot
always
disclose
aware
it.
it's a public money. How do you
I
spend it?
cannot disclose it, lordship. As a law court officer, I cannot disclose it today, lordship.
But we found that finance is keeping silent.
Lordship,
And see, the candidate, whoever has obtained PhD,
Lordship.
entitled from 3 increments, from the reasons are, if you give 3 increments
lordship.
from the date of acquiring,
Then
the
it will be
very next
automatically
day-
lesser, lordship.
the very next year, 1st January, the
Lordship.
incumbent will be entitled for an increment.
Lordship,
If you given belatedly or after coming into the course of the ROP,
lordship.
they will be getting a higher.
Higher, lordship.
mineral
Automatically
revenue.
higher they will get.
But why?
That-
Why are you doing it?
That thing is happening in the series of cases.
Why
Yesterday
are you
also.
doing it? That's what we want to know
Lordship.
from you. Why?
That's the reason, lordship, behind the back, lordship, I cannot say. That's the reason I cannot today say it.
Mr. Nayak,
It is opinion of the
public money, what you are doing, this is what is happening, we have seen. That's why it's happening, all the matters are before court, and we have seen.
Lordship will make some observation.
We have done in one case, but very surprised that some people sitting there doing it.
It is sub
You see the difference, because if it is before the ROP 2010, increment will also be less. 3 increments, immediately there will be another increment in 1st of January. It will be less. But if you give it after ROP,
then it will be automatically high.
But Director of Higher Education is doing it. Finance Department is giving approval. On what basis?
Lordship, I will get.
You should discuss these issues with the Directorate of Higher Education as well as your people, because apparently it is seen. Immediately on acquiring the PhD, the concerned incumbent is entitled either for 2 advance increment in terms of before 2006, or if it is after 2006, 3.
Lordship will.
These things, what happens? The particular department automatically comes down to the level where the court cannot expect them to go that way. No trust on those.
Lordship is saying, Lordship, it's not just depending on one department, it has been approved by the finance.
True. How approval is given by the finance?
That is the concern. Lordship will make some observation. Lordship
In some cases, we have done it. I don't know whether this.
In the series of cases, as per Lordship's instruction, we are taking Lordship something. We
There
are
is an
doing
office
Lordship.
memorandum by the.
We are
Finance
doing
Department
something
itself.
Lordship.
Now here the petitioner has obtained his PhD degree.
Dear Lordship, after going to the Lordship, that particular chart prepared by the senior accountant Lordship, there is no any discrepancies there Lordship. It says it's Lordship as per the procedure Lordship. She is getting prior to 2005 and performer after 2006 Lordship. So we will clarify it Lordship. Even Lordship, the day before yesterday, Honorable Apex Court have decided the one cases Lordship. Even Lordship, equal work, equal salary, equal qualification Lordship. If something is defined Lordship, that will be defined Lordship. My Lord Chief Justice is authored that judgment Lordship.
Now see here the petitioner obtained in year 2001.
Lordship.
How many increments will be entitled for?
2001 Lordship, then she is immediately she is 2 Lordship.
So if it before, as she has obtained in the 2001 and before 2006,
Lordship.
OM came into force,
Lordship.
entitled for only 2.
Only 2 Lordship. That is there Lordship. That is given Lordship. That is given, and it is page 27. It is also rightly given Lordship. Immediately after obtaining the PhD Lordship, 2008 Lordship.
Why 2001? Why you have given in 2008?
Lord, 2008, she is getting, if that particular performer respondent is getting 2008 Lordship. PhD, obtaining PhD 2008 Lordship.
What about the petitioner?
After petitioner 2001 Lordship. 2002, she is getting in 2002 Lord, obtained PhD in 2002 Lordship. That's why here calculation is, there is no mistake Lordship. It's.
What is your claim?
She is Lordship stepping up.
What is your claim?
To equalize the pay.
What kind of equalize? When did you obtain your PhD?
In 2001.
Then what was the office memorandum that point of time that was prevailing?
At that point of time, only 2 increments.
Whether the 2006 office memorandum said that giving effect from retrospective date.
No, but the
Where is the
education.
question of equalization? Just tell us. You are a court officer. Just tell us. You have obtained in 2001. You got the benefit in terms of the office memorandum that was prevailing at that point of time. Whether 2006 will come under 2006 notification. How will you come under 2006 notification? Just tell us.
I won't come, Lord.
Then why you are asking for
But at least,
equalization?
in
As
term-
because some order has been passed in some other court. Can you be equivocated them?
In terms of FR 27 Lordship, I am entitled Lordship.
How come? Just tell us how the FR 27 will come into force.
Because Lordship, I am working.
Whether that particular OM that was issued in the year 2006 has given any retrospective effect.
But that
in that case, just tell us all those lecturers who have retired having UGC norms under FR 27, you gave them salary? You gave them UGC scale of pay. Is it possible? Because they are entitled for UGC scale of pay. If not, they are serving. Why not their pensionary benefit under the UGC scale?
But Lordship, at least the
You are
current
asking
salary.
equalization, right? Show us that FR 27 is applicable in that manner. If it is applicable for your manner, why not the other lecturers who are having UGC norm retired prior to the coming into the force of the UGC scale, give them the pensionary benefit in the UGC scale?
But my agony is that my junior.
Your agony is that you have done it earlier.
Lordship.
And people who are doing later than you are getting 3 increments and you have done it earlier, you got
Why
two
should I be
increments.
penalized for?
What for penalization? You should not have done it. You should not have waited for some more years when the 5 increments will be there. Tomorrow, if there is an office memorandum coming with 6 increments, what will you do? Then again, you will come before the court and saying FR 27 is applicable, equalize my service.
Even Lordship, when today, if PhD candidate entered freshly, Lordship, he will get 5 increment from the very first day, Lordship. Very
Why
first
don't
day
you
of the
equalize?
enter in service, Lordship.
Why are you asking for 3? Ask for 5.
No, Lordship.
Why are you not asking? Tell us. Has to be some ground, right? Tell us that ground. Where is the question of penalizing you? These are the policies. It has not been extended, giving any benefit with any retrospective effect. How will you get that benefit?
At least
Those people who retire at the age of 55 years. In Assam, there at the time there was a 55 years retirement. Then it was enhanced to 58. Then 59, then 60. People who retire at the age of 55 years, can they come and claim equalization with the 60 years? Why they are not claiming?
that was the policy.
Why they are not
prevailing
claiming?
at that point of time, Lordship.
Then if you are saying the same thing, that policy is there for you also in
But
2001.
subsequently, what they had done, Lordship, they
So was that it was giving retrospective effect. So was that office memorandum.
office memorandum, their office memorandum, I could not gather,
So
Lordship.
bring it to us, place it before the
that-
court will consider.
that
If
was-
that office memorandum gives you any benefit, giving it from retrospective, definitely will consider.
But the finance office memorandum gives me the effect from.
We are not
2007,
satisfied.
Lordship.
You have to establish your case.
This office memorandum at page 30, Lordship, will kindly see once, Lordship. The second, from the first paragraph I am reading. Finance Department received a number of proposals for equalization of pay of senior government employee with his junior or for stepping up of pay of senior government employees to equalize his pay with that of his juniors. On examination of such proposals, it has been observed that Administrative Department refers such cases to Finance Department in a routine manner without examining its merit or sometimes without the relevant papers. Equalization of pay of senior government employees or stepping up of pay of senior government employee with junior is admissible on the following cases only. It is therefore impressed upon all the Administrative Department to examine each proposal carefully and refer to Finance Department only those cases which fulfill the following points. Number 1, both the senior and junior government employee whose equalization / stepping up of pay is proposed should be promoted from the same source. Number 2, when the disparity is attributed directly due to fixation of pay under RR 22(1)(a)(1) or under any other provisions of the FRs and FSRs. The rest part is for not granting the
So
equalization.
this was a 1997 office memorandum whereby equalization of the pay of a senior and a junior has been very equal, right? Some seniors were receiving less scale of pay and some juniors were getting more scale of pay. But the increments that you are getting, on what basis? Is it your scale or is it your pay? It's a benefit given to someone. The same benefit may not be given to another state.
But admittedly, I am drawing lesser pay than the junior. Lordship. At least
That is how we will see many offices are there. People entering, they later earning more than people entering earlier has come. And in some cases, you will see grade 3 people are earning more. You go to the bank, you see.
Lordship, my issue notice will clarify everything like this is just.
Manoj, I'm sorry, Manoj, I could not be. Manoj, here what happened was the government itself had accepted this position, Manoj.
Let us see this time.
My lord would have the order. There is an order, my lord, of this
These
honorable.
things really.
No, my lord. My lord, the problem here is if my friend, my lord, gets an increment and I don't draw that. He has an additional qualification, gets an increment. I cannot, my lord, even if he is junior, I cannot ask for equalization. Here, my lord, I also drew that increment. He also drew that increment. But he having drawn it subsequently, his pay went up, my lord. I cleared it in 2001, my lord. And that is why this court, my lord, the government itself, my lord, even the finance department has clarified that issue, my lord.
Okay, we'll get it.
Lordship. My lord would have similarly situated.
We have seen that.
Page 29.
Administration council appearing for.
And AG has, my lord, made the chart also.
Senate assisted by
MP Shah.
Mr. MP Shah, Council. Mr. K.
Lordship, I am for 1, 3, and 4. Nayak for 2, Lordship.
Respondent numbers
Mr.
1
Naik.
Ase.
and 4. As well as Mr. P. Nayak, Standing Council Finance for the respondent number 2. And Mr. Article of Standing Council, JAS for
Ase, moi.
benefit of 3 increments on obtaining PhD degree. Additional
Former respondent, my lord, at this stage.
obtained her PhD degree in the year 2001. And she was given 2 advance increments on obtaining her PhD. Year 2006. Whereas our colleague, former respondent number 6, completed her PhD in 2006. In the year 2006. Received the advance increments. According to there is a parity which is incomparable to that of a former respondent number 6. So notice as the prayer as from the prayer it is seen that whether by allowing this execution the respondent former number 6, even if allowing, will not be affected, and there is no such specific prayer against the respondent 6. Notice to the respondent need not be.
What's it?
Lordship, I'm praying for some more time, Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. Devil and preparing for the order 4 weeks time granted to the respondent. Till then, there is a next date of listing of the interim order of stay passed earlier on 17/08/2026. Yes, Devi, you want 4 weeks or some more time? 4 weeks.
Lordship, Mr. Ardhar, he's in this case, he's on legs in court number 10. If the Lordship may kindly pass over for time being.
Yeah, please, my lord. My lord, this matter would require an examination. I was, my lord, in the municipal administration department. Thereafter, my lord, I was first sent on part-time basis to the board. This is, my lord, the Assam Urban Water Supply and Sewages Board. Subsequently, my lord, after working there for some time, the board decided, I was getting deputation allowance, the board decided to absorb me. And accordingly, they took a decision that I will be absorbed from, my lord, 1995. They wrote to the government. The government wrote back, my lord, that, my lord, would find at page 20, my lord. With reference to, my lord, has got it.
Yes, yes, please.
With reference to a letter on the subject, I am directed to say that so and so, Asian Ninja should be absorbed substantially in service of the board, and the board will appoint him his substantially in the board under section 2222 of the so and so. The service rendered by him, the state government shall be treated to as service under the board and have enjoyed all the rights, privileges, leave, pension in the change situation as he was enjoyed in the state government employment. So, my lord, I was absorbed at the order is at page 21. My absorption is under 22(2), subclause Roman 2, and the letter of the government. And my such absorption was counting my period of service from 5788. My lord, then the other facts are, my lord, my promotion and all. Finally, I retired on 31/1/2023, my lord. But they gave me CPF benefits. My pension was not considered. I made a representation at page 41. If my lord can have the provision of 22(2), lordship.
Yes.
My lord, I've just given that book, my lord, 2222, my lord, Roman 2. My lord, this board is controlled by the government. So my lord would find different provisions therein. I was, my lord, under 22, Roman 2, that he should be absorbed substantively in the service of the board. And then the board will absorb him substantively in service, and thereupon the services rendered by him under the state government shall be treated as service rendered under the board, and he shall be entitled to have such rights or to such similar rights in the change situation with regard to remuneration, leave and pension, as will not be less favorable to the service conditions, agreements and rights as he would have entitled to before he was employed in the board. So, my lord, when I was in the municipal administrative department, well, it was pensionable.
Yes.
My lord, he had also undertaken that the 50% thing, I'll be refunding, but still, my lord, they have not done nothing, my lord. And I have now retired. The CPF benefits actually were released to me, my lord. But, my lord, I am entitled to that pension, my lord, in terms of that letter and the decision of the government, which is not, my lord, changed thereafter.
তুমি এফালে বহিব লাগে। বেলেগবিলাক থাকিলে নাহো এইটো কোনোবা জোৰ জবৰদস্তি প্ৰতিষ্ঠা কৰিছে
How the salary is to be paid, from which fund?
My lord, if it is pension, the
No,
government.
Your salary.
Salary, my lord, was paid from the both funds. Both funds.
How the revenue is to earn by the board?
Board revenue, my lord, is through grants in aid plus, my lord, the what do you call that, my lord, the schemes. Revenue income from the water supply schemes, my lord.
Mr. Internet. Senior counsel, assistant Mr. MS R. Chaudhary. For the petition. And you are appearing for whom?
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. S.P. Chaudhary for respondent number 2 and 3, Standing Council, Assam Urban Water Supply and Sewerage Board.
Mr.
Bora will appear for 1. And you will for 4.
Yes.
Initially. On 05/07/1998, the petitioner was appointed as an assistant engineer in the Directorate of Municipal Administration under the erstwhile Municipal Department, Government of Assam, renamed as Department of Housing and Urban Affairs. Later, the government-wide notification dated 30/06/1989 letter pursuant to the letter of the Municipal Department dated 30/06/1989. The petitioner was placed before the disposal of the Assam Urban Water Supply and Sewerage Board, Guwahati. With effect from 03/07/1989. On the petition. Subsequently, the service of the petitioner was absorbed with effect from 15/11/1995 in the Assam Urban Water Supply and Sewerage Board. The petitioner retired from service.
30%.
On which date?
31/1/2023, my lord.
As a chief engineer of the said Suarez Board on 31/01/2023. So petitioner is entitled for pensionary benefit as claimed by him. The respondent authorities only considered to pay him the CPF amount.
CPF amount.
Without giving the benefit of any suspension. The claim of the petitioner for his pension in terms of the provision of section
22.
Under chapter 22 within bracket Roman 2 within bracket 2 numerical. Sorry, better small Roman. Under chapter 7 numerical of the Assam Urban Water Supply and Suarez Board Act 1985. Which stipulates that every officer or employee should be absorbed subsequently in the service of the board, and then the board will absorb him subsequently in service, and thereupon the services rendered by him state government shall be treated as services rendered under the board, and he shall be entitled to have such rights or to such similar rights in the same situation with respect to remuneration, leave and pension, as will not be less favorable to the service conditions, agreements and rights as he would have entitled to before he was employed in the board. So, rule returnable by Monday. Pendency of this petition shall not be to consider and dispose of the representation of the petition 27/06/2022 submitted before the Managing Director, Assam Urban Water Supply and Sewerage Board, received by the authority concerned on 27/06/2023. Considering the prayer of the petition, there is following the relevant provisions of the Board Act. Let's start.
Much obliged.
Please, Lordship. My lord, here, my lord, is a limited issue in between two wives. The pensionary benefit is disputed, my lord, and the authority could not able to ascertain who is entitled to get the benefit. As far as provision, my lord, first wife is entered. Petitioner before your lordship is the first wife. He got married on 25/1/1990.
Is there any Kabilnama?
Lordship, that is page 15, my lord. 15. And she got married on 25th January 1994. And the respondent number 5, here is my lord, the second wife, she got married, that is page 20, on 29/6/2009. So, page 20, my lord, respondent number 5. He is the second wife, got married on 29/6/2009. And she is the second wife, my lord. And
Pension is paid to whom?
lordship.
Has it been paid to the second wife or not paid?
Not paid yet, my lord. Now, my lord, the husband demised on 21st July 2021. That is page 24. And here, both wife names shown. 24 page, my lord. Wife Rumima Begum is the petitioner, and Zabeda Khanun is the respondent number 5, second wife. Now, my lord, this order passed, my lord. This is communication letter dated 30/6/2022, page 25, and saying that addressed to the Joint Director of Health Service, Baksha Musalpur, where he was discharging his duty, the device husband, and saying that to resubmit the same from the first wife, along with the necessary supporting document. And accordingly, my lord, I have submitted all the necessary documents, but has not yet disposed of this pension. My lord, direction may be given after ascertaining, after perusal of documents from both the sides. If my documents support to be a first wife, that I am entitled to be to get the pensionary benefit.
He retired or died in harness?
Died in harness. At the age of 51 years, the husband was demised. His page 24 death certificate shown also that date of age of deceased 51 years.
Mr. Bora, you are repairing?
Yes, my lord. I am appearing for the health department, my lord.
Mr. K. Huya, counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. Tiwa, standing counsel, health and family affairs department for the respondent number 1, 2,
1, 3, and 4, my lord.
Mr. A. Hassan, standing counsel, APA Assam for the respondent number 5. Husband of the petitioner, Zakir Hussain, was a laboratory technician at Dalagaon Public Health Center, district Borpeta.
Borpeta, lordship.
And the service was regularized with effect from 18/08/1990. On 25/01/1994, the petitioner was married with Said Mohammed Zakir Hussain, and to that extent, petitioner has annexed the Kabil number executed on 25/1/1994, issued by the concerned party. During his service tenure, Said Zakir Hussain married respondent number 5, Zabeda Khatun, on 29/04/2009,
on 29/6/2000,
29/06/2009.
and Excel file.
In that regard, the petitioner has also annexed the Kabilnama, both the Kabilnama married under Muslim personnel law.
And Lordship, the Aadhaar card of respondent 5 shown the address, my lord, Nimua, in the district of Baksha. Page 23.
By placing the copy of Aadhaar card of respondent number 5 petitioner, petitioner is the resident of Baksa. Yes. Husband of the petitioner died in harness on 22/12/2021. The petitioner, being the first wife of Sheikh Zakir Hussain, is now claiming the pension on the date of her husband, Zakir Hussain, who is the respondent authority, have not yet considered. During ongoing inquiry, both Mr. Bhuya, counsel appearing for the petitioner, as well as Mr. Bora, standing counsel, Department of Labor and Department of as on date, pensionary benefits on the date of Sheikh Zakir Hussain, laboratory technician at Jalgaon Public Health Sector, has not yet been disbursed. Rule 24 of the Assam Civil Services within the conduct rules, conduct of 1965. A statutory rule under Article 209 of the Constitution of India that came into force with effect from 09/03/1966 stipulates that no government employee who has a wife living shall contract another marriage without first obtaining the permission of the government, the capital, notwithstanding that such subsequent marriage is permissible under the personnel law for the time being applicable to him. It's a notice returnable by, it's a rule code, returnable by obtaining necessary acknowledgement that figure. Petitioner shall take steps on the response of one of the Monday.
My lord, so far respondent 5
Shall not
raised.
be a bar for the respondent authorities to consider the prior to petition as per the law in force and applicable while considering the payment of government employee.
Worship, so far respondent 5 registered as a justice. I love that.
Yes, Mr. Chair. My lord, there was a review. Review was done by the department on 12th July 23. I'm just placing.
Was it within time?
Yes, ma'am.
When he was released from jail?
When he was released from jail 28/4, my lord.
28/4.
Yes. Thereafter, I entered office and collected the suspension order, my lord. Thereafter, I filed the application for reinstatement, my lord, on 12/5. I have filed.
12/5, my lord, that is the communication we have come to know about his release from the jail, my lord. So, my lord, if you go by it, it's within time, my lord. And anyway, my lord, this review order states that, and the departmental proceeding has been initiated against Sri Indrajit Bora by show cause notice such and such dated 3/7/2023. So, my lord, the currency of Ajay Chaudhary, para 22, my lord, stipulates, my lord, once the DP has been initiated, my lord, that 90 days period, my lord, will not come into effect, my lord. That part, my lord. That is, my lord, the law, my lord.
So called notice was sent to me, my lord, but through online, my lord. On 3/7, I received on 4/7. My lord. Through online it is sent, my lord, not handed over to me on that day, my lord. After submitting my application before statement, my lord, on 12/5, my lord, and I replied also, my lord. Then page 52, my lord, that is the allegation you loss of sheet, my lord. Page 52. He signed Sandan Sharma. It is sent by my lord without his signature, my lord. No signature, my lord. Only his name is there, but no signature. It is sent on 3. I received on 4. My lord, it is online, my lord, through WhatsApp.
My lord,
Whether it can be treated as a genuine one, my lord. And I am going to be retired on my 38th of September, the coming month, my lord. That is coming month, my lord. 1 month is left to be retired, my lord. So, my lord, at this stage, my lord, as the so-called notice was sent to me, along with a set of allegation, my lord, that is, my lord, that also, my lord, not in time as properly submitted to me, my lord. It is not in proper, my form.
but he has replied, my lord.
Maybe I may reply it, my lord. That is a different thing. But the sending process is not my genuine one, my lord. It is online, my lord. They should hand over to me, as I have collected the suspension order after releasing from jail, my lord. They may call me, my lord. I will check that order, my lord. Why they are sending through peon, through clerk, online, my lord. That is also may consider it, my lord. That also, my lord, I am going to retire after a month, my lord. That you will also may consider it, my lord. On 38th of June also, I have filed another application for reinstatement. That is also pending. Earlier also pending. Both the petitions are pending for my lord. No order has been passed on these two applications for reinstatement. Rather, they have sent online through WhatsApp to me, my lord. Whether it may be done by the clerk or the peon without his signature, my lord. Signature is lack. You also see it, my lord. It is not genuine one, my lord. And that 90 days cannot be, my lord, cannot be detailed to that, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Thor, what to have to say regarding show cause notice?
Regarding my lord?
Show cause notice.
My lord, what is the problem with show cause notice, my lord? There is, this is e-sign, my lord. My lord, there is a mandate, my lord, that e-signature is valid. Every my lord, officer has an designated e-signature, my lord. And my lord, he is not challenging this show cause notice. He has already replied. He has joined the, my lord, proceeding. He has replied, my lord, in the page number 53.
But Mr. and Mohammed and counsel appearing for the petition. and Mr. Ardhor, Standing Council Department of Assam Public Works within the roads. For the respondent numbers 1, 2, 1 and 2. Mr. Who will appear? Mr. Deuri or Dhar? Mr. Bora, who will appear?
So Chief Secretary.
Mr. Bora, Government Secretary. 4 and 5. Is there any standing council for anti-corruption? I don't think so.
No, Your Lordship. 4 and 5.
4 and 5, my friend.
3, 4 and 5.
3, 4 and 5.
No, man, 3, 4.
But this is, I think, a municipal.
Inspector of Police, Director of Vigilance, Anti-Corruption. 5, 4. Vigilance. It is
The petitioner.
You have the notification.
Is a superintendent engineer within the civil. EWR Roads Division, RAM Cell, the Office of the Chief Engineer Roads, Assam, was attached to Chief Engineer, Guwahati Municipal Corporation. On 22/03/2023, the petitioner was arrested in ACBPS case number 17/2023 under section 7 within bracket A of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 as amended in a trap case while taking bribe money. The later he was released on bail by the Special Judge Assam on 28/04/2023 in said SCBPS case number 17/2023. The Commissioner and Special Secretary Government of Assam in the Public PWTR Department by notification small capital C capital F number 2444735/10 dated 31/03/2023 suspended the petitioner from service under Rule 6 within bracket 2 bracket close 2.2.1 of the Assam Services within bracket Discipline and Appeal bracket close rules 1964 as he was arrested in a police station and detained in custody for more than 48 hours. With effect from 22/03/2023, i.e. the date of his arrest. The petitioner on 12/5/2023 submitted a representation for reinstatement of his service, which is yet to be considered. Later, by number E-294-339/81 dated 03/07/2023 the Commissioner and Special Secretary to the Government of Assam in the PWT Roads Department submitted a so-called to the petitioner under Rule 9 of the Assam Services within the Discipline Appeal 1964, read with Article 311 of the Constitution, directing as to why The penalties prescribed in Rule 7 of the said 1964 should not be inflicted upon him. In terms of the charges framed in the said so-called notice dated 03/07/2023. The said so-called notice dated 03/07/2023 was issued to the petitioner to email at 11:24 p.m. on 03/07/2023. Petitioner received the said so-called notice and submitted his reply on 10/07/2023, which is yet to be considered. Petitioner submitted that after his release from bail, on bail in SVPS case number on 28/04/2023, beyond 30 on 12/05/2023, submitted an appeal before the Commissioner and Special Secretary PWDR Department for reinstatement in service, intimating the said authority about his release on bail. As the petitioner has not yet been reinstated in service for more than 90 days after 2015, the date of his release on bail on 28/04/2023, petitioner being aggrieved have preferred this petition, praying for a direction to the respondent authorities to reinstate him in service, stating that he will be retiring from service on 30/09/2023 on attaining the age of superannuation at 60 years. On being inquired, Mr. R. Hor, standing counsel, PWD Roads, placed before the court a communication, a copy of the notification under number CON.8/2022/PP/87, dated 12/07/2023, issued by the Commissioner and Special Secretary, Government of Assam in the Public Works Road Department, whereby the respondent department considered that a departmental proceeding has already been initiated against the petitioner on 03/07/2023. And considering the entire facts and circumstances, the said authority, by the notification dated 12/07/2023, extended the suspension of the petitioner for a period of 2 months with effect from 22/06/2023 and until further order. The period of 2 months in terms of the said notification dated 12/07/2023 is already over. However, the disciplinary proceeding initiated against the petitioner on 03/07/2023 by the respondent authorities in the PWDR is present pending for consideration. Though petitioner raised the question that the so-called notice issued to him on 03/07/2023 is without the signature of the authority concerned, but the petitioner had already submitted his reply to the said chopper on such and such, and has not challenged the said chopper notice dated such and such on the call report. Considering the fact that the petitioner shall retire from service and that the respondent authorities will get to consider the reply to the so called the 10/07/2023 submitted before the chief engineer, submitted before the Commissioner Special Secretary Government of Assam and the PWRD on 10/07 Likita date to Likita has not yet been considered. The petitioner is directed to submit a first representation before the Commissioner Special Secretary Government of Assam Public Works in Beckett Road, Beckett Road Department. After placing him under suspension on 31/03/2023. As the petitioner is retiring from service on 30/09/2023, in the event of filing any such representation by the petitioner, on or before 31/08/2023, the Commissioner Special Secretary to Government of Assam and the Public Works of the Beckett Road Department shall dispose of the in accordance intimating the petition about the outcome of
Well, leave
the above the written direct of the notification dated 12/07/2023 regarding review suspension of the petitioner for a period up to 22/06/2023. Yes, Mr. Bormia.
May I please alert? My lord, petitioner before your lordship was appointed as my lord Khalasi. Initially, my lord, in the year my lord 1982, my lord, 82-83, my lord. Then, my lord, he was also promoted to the post of my lord pump operator, my lord.
Promoted.
Yes, yes. And my lord, he was given my lord GPF account also, my lord. And my lord, he
now tell us whether when your service was regularized.
My lord, it is not regularized, my lord.
When you were appointed,
But my lord, he was
when you were appointed,
appointed 82, my lord.
82.
Yes, my lord. Lordship, this is 5th March
One thing we have
1983.
noticed, Mr. Hassan,
My lord.
various cases we found from the annexes, whether it is a illegal appointment or some other appointment, excess appointment, non-existent court. This now here we are getting these orders now, sending these petitions. We are opening the account. Why? Without first verifying the post against which there has to be a post, without identifying that post against which the person concerned is been appointed. Why are you opening it?
Procedure to allot the GPF account, there is an application countersigned by the head of the department.
See, basically, it
But
may be
regarding the status of the employee, that is not available. in the
unless
official
you
record.
ask for the post against which it is appointed, he has been appointed. Why are you considering?
Because one of the head of the department they forwarded everything.
True, that doesn't mean. But if you go to the provisions, it is against the post. So, we have seen many such annexer, page 16, annexer 3, and you will see large number of orders. Now, what is your prayer?
My lord, in this case, my lord, only formal appointment regularization order was not issued. Otherwise, my lord, he lastly, my lord, got my lord more than 60,000 salary. My lord. Increment everything, my lord. Nature, my lord, and character of the my lord service is regular, my lord. Only my lord formal appointment letter was not issued. This is the problem, my lord. Similar matters, my lord, are pending on page 24, my lord. And one of such matters.
Law is settled, lordship. Even my friend has annexed one order, lordship, where a direction was issued to process provisional pension, lordship. In that case, also person was regularized in this petition, lordship. So at least he cannot rely upon that judgment, lordship.
No. This is not. This is my colleague. Kindly see, my lord, page 18, my lord. From same subdivision, my colleague, my lord, page 18, my lord.
I'm showing.
Where, my lord? Where, my lord? My lord, the serial number 5, my lord, Virendra Rai. And my name, my lord, serial number 8, my lord, Krishnakanto Bhumik, my lord. Just before their retirement, my lord, it was proposal was sent, my lord, for regularization of their service, but it was not done, my lord. But he, my lord, before me, he filed writ petition 21, my lord, and it was provided to consider his, my lord,
At least the court was of the view that his service was regular. Lordship, can kindly see page 22. Paragraph 2, third line. Petitioner was regularized. On that assumption only, it was directed to process his pension paper.
That's right.
But in this case, lordship, he himself is saying that his service was never regularized.
He remained as a collective.
No, I am.
Law is settled, lordship. If your lordship allows me to some time, lordship, on Tuesday or
my lord,
Thursday, lordship.
another my
Lordship will
notification
take up
referred,
this
my lord,
matter.
page 34, my lord.
Law is settled, lordship. Even our division bench very recently passed one WA 1 of 2022, lordship.
Rejecting that.
Rejected, lordship.
My lord, page 34, lordship, kindly have a look. One notification here referred, earlier occasion, this honorable court, my lord, page 34. This is, my lord, in a batch of writ petition, that the learned counsel for the petitioner, however, relies on the office memorandum dated so and so, issued by the Pension and Public Grievance Department to contend that irrespective of whether petitioner is regularized or not, all the temporary employees who completed 20 years service are made eligible for pension by aforesaid notification, and therefore the learned counsel contends that in view of such policy decision, the Accountant General, Assam, is not within its jurisdiction to return the pension proposal of the petitioner in as on the basis of such notification, employer has sent the proposal. My lord, this, my lord, petitioner before your lordship served, my lord, 40 years, my lord, without a single day break, my lord. My lord, from their conduct, my lord, and from the, my lord, nature and features of my service, my lord, this my service is more than regularized, my lord. And my lord, section rule 31 of the pension rule is very much clear, my lord. There is not provided, my lord, regular service is necessary, my lord. Continuous service is necessary, my lord, as per rule, my lord.
Lordship, I'm renewing my prayer, Lord. Lordship will take up this matter on Tuesday and Thursday, Lordship. Lordship may not like to issue notice at this stage, Lordship.
My lord, this matter may come up along with this, my lord, series matter, my lord. This is pending, my lord, page 24, my lord. There are numbers of writ petition, my lord. They are all my colleagues, my lord, for the same department. Page 24, my lord, annexure 8, my lord, lead case is WPC number 5345/2021, my lord.
So let this case get decided, Lordship. Other cases,
Those cases are older than me.
Mr. M. Bormier, counsel appearing for the petition. Mr.
I Borthakur for PH.
Extending council page for response number 1, 3, and 5. Also heard Mr. Pina extending council finance for the
2 and 5,
response
Lord.
and 5, 2 and 6. And Mr. A. Hassan, standing council, AGA Assam for the response number 4. List again on 29, not 29, 30, 08, 2023. Honorable Mr. Nayak, Technical Independence, to place their 11 captains in
Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Sarkar.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, we have to challenge the impugned order, page 59. However, the petitioner has been suspended from the post of Lord Mandal of Paschim Nalbari Revenue Circle, Lordship. Lordship, we have filed basically on 2 grounds, Lordship. After suspension, Lordship, within 3 months, Lordship, memorandum of charge not furnished to the petitioner, nor charge sheet has been filed, Lordship. Secondly, Lordship, though after completion of 3 months, Lordship, DP was started, Lordship, but periodical review of the suspension order not done, Lordship. This is the 2 grounds we have filed. And both the conditions are mandatory, Lordship.
Mr. Bora,
Lordship.
you are appearing, right?
Yes, Lordship, for response numbers 3, 4, and 5.
You are appearing for the Deputy Commission.
Yes, Lordship.
Nalbari.
Nalbari.
Will not say anything. Will not say anything. We'll take up this matter on 1st of September.
1st of September.
We'll leave it to you. On the prayer of Mr. D. Bora, government list on 1st of September. Rest you know what to do.
Yes.
There is some development, Lordship, after filing this petition. So, Lordship.
Good for you. We'll close it.
Lordship, Lordship. With liberty, Lordship, if so advised.
God, Mr. And Mr. U. Sharma.
For respondent number 1.
Sharma is very happy, nothing to add.
Lordship, probably advance copy has been served to the headmaster, Lordship.
1, and Mr. Pina extending council.
Lordship, I am appearing for BTC 2.
Response number 2.
5. 2 and 5, Lordship.
2 and 5.
For Lordship, may record ASLE has name.
Standing council, Mr. ASLE has standing council finance for the response number 4.
ASLE, he is there.
ASLE will be for 4. B. Deori, Government Advocate Assam, Director of Pension. On instruction of the petitioner, Planet Council, Mr. J. Kulita, on instruction of the petitioner, is not pressing this petition. Which have liberty to file a press, I can praying for a liberty file a press and press for the petitioner, I think. Because the council for the respondents have no prayer allowed.
Lordship, this matter pertains to family pension, Mala. Earlier, in view of this honorable court's orders,
The family pension was divided between two wives of the deceased employee, my lord. And the second wife, my lord, the pension was divided 50-50 between two wives, and the first wife has been died, my lord, now. Now she wants, my lord, full family pension.
Why are you before the court?
My lord.
Why you are before the court?
My lord, we have approached, though, my lord, we could not annex the, my lord, representation. But we
First you
have
do the
approached.
needful. If it is not considered, then you come before us.
My lord, may direct, my lord, we will
We are
file.
not
fresh.
directing anything. We will not consider this.
My lord, we have already approached the director of pension, my lord. I have stated in my petition.
Which para?
My lord. My lord, para 6, page 7.
Show us your representation, then we will consider. You have a copy, file an additional affidavit, then we will consider.
My lord,
Where is the
fact is that, my
the
lord,
petitioner is directed submit an additional affidavit bringing the representation file submitted before the Directorate of Pension, claiming the full amount of family pension as the first wife of as Morium Begum, MORIUM, Begum BUM, wife of Gyasuddin SK. Come on, Vaishnav Gilev Gyasuddin SK, late husband of the petitioner, expired on 10/01/2020. Place this matter for motion after filing such additional affidavit by request.
All right.
Here, my lord, 11 and 12, my lord, out of same transaction for my lord, two different petitioner, my lord. In item number 11, my lord, there is some mistake, my lord, in regards to my lord, page number 26, my lord. This page has been, my lord, wrongly annexed, my lord. The document which I sought to annex, my lord, that was left out, my lord. So may I pray the lordship to, my lord, allow me to rectify my mistake, my lord. Page 26, my lord. And so far, 12 is concerned, it is all right, my lord. May I pray the lordship to Mr. K. Vora, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submitted that inadvertently an order dated 09/09/2022 issued by the DFO Kosugao Division, Gosaigaon, PTC, has been incorporated as an Annexure D at page 26. Which should be the correct one? Correct one, my lord. Date is same, my lord, but number is different, my lord. I have the copy. Order number 31. I will rectify it before the registry, my lord. With due certification, my lord. Petitioner is directed and access paid for correction of the said annexure by incorporating the concerned one involved in this case. Petitioner is Mr. Borua is allowed to do the same to his liquor before the appropriate section of the registry. I will replace the same document. Not here before the registry. In item number 12, my lord, here, my lord, the petitioner was, due to my arrest, my lord, I was suspended, my lord, that is deemed suspension, my lord. Subsequently, I was released on bail, my lord, and till date, my lord, more than 6 months. When were released? I was released, my lord, on 14/10/2022. 14/10/2022, my lord.
14/10/2022. When did you brought it to the notice of the authority?
Lordship, my lord, I have approached, my lord.
When?
Lordship, I have made a statement, my lord. After
What is your application?
application is not there, my lord.
So we can understand.
But it was,
Only
my
when
lord,
you submit an application that you have been released, then only it will be considered. You better withdraw, file a representation, then we'll see. That's what is happening.
my
Right?
lord,
It's not like automatic. You have to inform the authority who has placed you under suspension that on such and that you have been released from the jail.
Then, my lord, I paid for, my lord, withdrawal of both the cases, my lord, item 11 and 12, my lord, and liberty may be granted to file a fresh, my lord.
Same order. Mr. K. Bural and counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. Rai Botaku.
Lordship, I am not for BTC, only for Forest Department.
Forest Department. Respondent numbers.
BTC
Will be for 1, 2, 3 or only one?
Lordship 1.
And Mr. Pina, extending counsel BTC for the respondent numbers 2 and 3. On instruction of the petitioner, Mr. K. Bural and counsel. Mr. K. Bural and counsel petitioner on instruction placed for regular disposition, which is liberty to file afresh. As inadvertently the petitioner could not file a document necessary for adjudication of this matter, to which the counsel for the respondents has not liberty of to item number 11 or 12.
My lord, here the matter pertains to, my lord, withdrawal of, my lord, termination orders of the petitioner, my lord, in pursuance to a policy that has been adopted by the BTC authority, my lord, in collaboration with the, my lord, government of Assam. The fact of the case herein is that, my lord, the petitioner were appointed in the year 1990, my lord.
Where is that policy decision?
Policy decision is, my lord, they have, it is on, my lord, will file on page 120. That is, my lord, they have, my lord, submitted during the course of, my lord, the writ appeal that has been filed. In the similarly situated case, my lord, notice has already been issued, my lord, the writ petition being number 3106 and 23, my lord, same fact and circumstance, my lord. My lord, before the honorable court, my lord, they have submitted that, my lord, the BTC.
Are you aware?
Yes, sir. Lordship will issue notice.
Heard Mr. B.K. Das, learned counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. Petitioner and Mr. P. Sharma, Standing Counsel, Department of School Elementary Education for respondent number 1. Mr. A. Saliha, Standing Counsel Finance for the respondent number 2.
I'm for 1 and 6, Lord.
1 and 6.
1 and 6.
And Mr. P. Nayak, Standing Counsel BTC for the respondent numbers
3, 4, 5.
3 will also be there.
Okay.
3, 4, 5,
4,
6,
5,
3,
7,
4,
8,
5, 7 and
7, 8,
7
9.
to 9. 3 to 5 and 7 to 9. It's a rule returnable latex. Such no formal steps by Monday. What is the number?
My lord, 3106 public 2022.
Please this method rated along with WPC number 31.
106, Lord. 22. Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Mungo.
This is regarding non-payment of pensionary benefits and other benefits to the petitioner who is the first wife.
Paid to second wife.
It was not paid to anybody.
Okay.
The
Where is the
entire-
Kabilnama?
My lord,
Where is the Kabilnama?
Kabinama, my lord, we are for the first wife, my lord.
Where is the Kabilnama?
It is, my lord, in the, my lord, Kabinama is not annexed, but the lordship will find in the next of kin certificate, lordship will find at page 23. Abdul Barak. And page 24, lordship will find Varun Nessa, here petitioner, first wife, and my lord, second wife, Rokia Khatun, respondent number 10 here. Now, entire paper was, my lord, processed, and it was, my lord, forwarded to the, my lord, treasury, as I have been instructed, my lord. The treasury is, my lord, kept pending on the basis of the complaint lodged by the respondent number 10. That is the, my lord, update status, my lord. Now, lordship is aware, my lord, as per the, my lord, our full bench decision as well as the, my lord, apex court decision, my lord. The second wife is not entitled to the, my lord, benefits of pensioners. At best, my lord, she can approach the, my lord, appropriate court for maintenance. My lord, 8 family members, my lord, the petitioners having, my lord, maintaining, my lord, with acute, my lord, financial hardship. She has 5 children, and the, my lord, second wife having 3 children. Out of 3, my lord, 2 are living with the, my lord, present petitioner. Only 1 is living with the, my lord, second wife, the respondent number 10.
Heard Mr. Mandal, counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. P.N. Sharma, standing counsel.
I am for 1, 2, 3,
Department
8
of
and 9,
School
Lord.
Elementary. Correspondent number 1, not 1. Again, B. Deori Lekha, Government Advocate Assam. And 5, Director.
Oh, sorry, not 1.
No. B. Deori 1, 4, 5, 145. Mr. P.N. Sharma, standing counsel, Department of School Elementary for 2, 3, 8 and 9. Mr. R. Rahman, Government, standing counsel, AG Assam for respondent number 6. Mr. A. Saliha, standing counsel, Finance for respondent number 7. Husband of the petitioner, Abdul Barik Paramani. Head teacher of 2414 number Mati Nair Alga Lower Primary School in the Bilasipara Education Block of District Puri. Died in harness on 14/02/2023. As per the next of kin certificate of Sheikh Abdul Barik Paramani, he had 2 wives during his service tenure. Petitioner is the first wife, and the respondent number 10 is the second wife. Petitioner is claiming the family pension being the first wife of said Mr. Paramanik, Said Abdul Bari Paramanik. It is stated, though the matter was processed for release of family pension to the petitioner on the date of her husband Abdul Bari Paramanik, but being objected by the respondent number 10 before the Treasury officer Bilasipara, the same hasn't been disbursed to her, hence this petition. So notice returnable by ethics that after such no format petitioner shall serve it. Steps on the respondent number 8 by register portability, providing its character. Order. Steps on 10 by trustee only person. List according.
In the maintain provisional pension,
Pendency of
at
this
least
petition
provisional
shall not
pension.
be barred to release any provisional pension plus family pension to the petitioner as per her entitlement in accordance with law. If there is no other impediment in releasing the same to her.
मतलब 10 मतलब I will take मतलब 10 also.
It will be better.
Developed.
Yes, Mr. Hawk.
Yeah, my lord, there the petitioner is master, regular
How
master
is,
worker, my lord.
How is Dr. Ahmed now?
My lord, he is now well, my lord.
What about his eyes?
He is now, my lord, in Chennai, my lord, for treatment, my lord. And his eyes were operated in last week, my lord. And now he is waiting for retaking, my lord. And perhaps will come in the next week or thereafter. My lord, here is, my lord, this petitioner is a master rule worker, my lord, regularized master rule worker, my lord, engaged on 1/5/1990, my lord, and he retired on 13/9/2012, my lord. After retirement, my lord, initially in the year 2015, the proposal for pension was
Yes, madam.
submitted.
Sir, I will allot for instruction, my lord.
Because after the division bench judgment,
Yes, my lord.
also judgment of Brother Justice Mehdi,
Yes.
probably he will be entitled. I think that
Otherwise, in that lot, only the name is bit doubtful to me, Lord.
that can be done.
That can be verified, Lord. Lord, let her have instruction, Lord.
Will only that extent. But Mr. Enoch counsel appearing.
K.
for the-
Uddin.
Sorry, K. Uddin. Counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Miss.
I'm appearing for respondent 1, 2, and 3, madam. DS New.
For irrigation. And Mr. D. Bora, Government Advocate Assam, for the respondent number 4. Mr. P. Nayak, Standing Council Finance, for the respondent number 5. Mr. A. Hassan, Standing Council ATS, for the respondent number 6. We'll just keep it for notice. We'll not issue notice. For instruction only at this moment.
My lord, extra copy may be given.
That will be done. Matter pertains to payment of family regular pension to the petitioner and works as employee under Executive Engineer Rakabadi, Patarkandi, Irrigation Division, Patarkandi. When did you retire?
My lord, on 13/9/2012, my
Retired on
13/12, my lord.
Dates are different, Lord. Lordship will above, Lordship will say 13, but in memo number 12.
At page 18, my lord. Retirement notice was there.
retired from service on 39/2012. Where is the order of regularization?
My lord, at page, my lord, 15 is the type copy, original is 16, my lord.
So service was regularized with effect from 22/07/2005. Said by the executive engineer, Karimganj Irrigation Division, pursuant to the government letter not dated 03/10/2005. List on 13th of September. Enabling the respondent authorities to place the relevant instructions in the matter. Petitioner shall serve requisite extra copies to meet the no representation on behalf of the petitioner on call. While issuing no representation on behalf of the petitioner while issuing notice on 06/02/2023. Report directed to take steps on the respondent number 7 to 10 by raise the possibility as well as to usual process within 3 days. Office note dated 11/11/2022 reflects. Office note dated 04/08/2023 reflects. That no steps been received by the section for issuance of notice. Respondent number 7 to 10 in terms of the said order, it is 06/02. Other 3 weeks time granted to the further 2 weeks time granted to the petitioner to take steps on the respondent number 7 to 10 in terms of the order, it is 06/02. Failing which name of those respondents will be deleted from the first file.
In this case, I am appealing for respondent number 2 and 4, Lordship. The extra copy also will not charge
Doesn't
us
matter,
also, Lordship.
not appearing.
Yes,
Actually, this is a problem, council for the respondent number 2. List of the rated good.
Meet this, Your Lordship. Lordship, on the last occasion, although there was an instruction that we have been accommodated, but Lordship, I pray for some more time because my lord, instruction is awaited, my lord. The next week, my lord, we are awaiting the instruction of our client, my lord. Any date next week?
And counsel for the petitioner. Ms. Punya on 16/8/2023 took time to obtain necessary instruction in the matter. Even today, the petitioner Ms. Punya is seeking further time.
Ms. Bora, madam, B. Bora.
B. Bora obtains the further instruction from the petitioner. It is to be noted herein that the petitioner is found to be access thesis. But after a process initiated in terms of the order of the court dated 02/03/2010 passed in WPC number 1048/2004, the present petitioners have been appointed accommodated under teacher category, issuing first appointment letters with prospective effect from 1/11/2020, which they have accepted and are receiving salaries now. Is this matter again on 13th of September. Mr. Bita Local Standing Council, Department of School Education for the
Published.
May please. In this matter, instructions were called for that whether the medical facilities are available within the jurisdiction of the state respondent authorities. They were to place these instructions.
What do you mean by this? So anyway,
Not it.
these places.
Not. There are facility lots available.
Matter pertains to transfer of the petitioner from petitioner is a teacher serving in the Assam Rifles High School, Lokra, near Tezpur in the district of Sonitpur. It pertains to transfer of the petitioner from the said Assam Rifle High School, Lokra. It is stated that the petitioner is having disabled dependent, his son is at about 11 years now, suffering from Down syndrome, within bracket, 40% hearing impairment and mild mental retardation.
This has risen up to 70.
Being aggrieved with his order of transfer, which is at page number
Page 20.
Page
25, my lord. Transferred at serial number N.
M and N.
Sir, আগতে এটা petitioner is a Hindi teacher লিখিব স্কুলখনৰ নামটো কি আপোনাৰ wife of the petitioner is also serving in said Assam Rifle Science at Lokra as a junior teacher. By an order dated 09/04/2021, the authorities of the Assam Rifles, the Directorate General of authorities in the Directorate General of Assam Rifles, Shillong, transferred the petitioner to Chandil from Lokra and his wife to Situ, SITU.
Lordship, extended lordship. 1 year.
Was extended for another year.
For 1.
Whose service was extended for 1 year at Lokra. Being agreed with such transfer order of the petitioners, individually preferred application number 3715/2021 in the case Sharam Nath Giri versus Union of India, and application number 3075/2022 Srimati Usha Giri versus Union of India. On being inquired, Ms. Devi Lanet CGC placed a copy of the communication dated 18/08/2023 of the Assam Rifles pertaining to both the petitioners, both the petition. Clarifying that as the son of the petitioners found to having suffering from Down syndrome, opinion and recommendation for posting of the petitioners on medical ground, I on the special child case to a station where requisite medical facilities along with physiotherapy or rehabilitative therapies are available, was sought from medical branch. Accordingly, the Director of Medical Headquarters, Director General of Assam Rifles recommended posting of the petitioners to any state capital or district headquarters in the northeast region where rehabilitative centers and mental health facilities are available Full stop. It is also stated that such facilities are available at Dimapur, Imphal, Agartala, Kohima, Chardwar. Leaving aside Lokra, where the petitioners are presently posted. As such, by the said communication dated 18/08/2023, the authorities in the Assam Rifles clarified that the places of in the above noted places, Assam Rifle units and post of teachers are available. In view of the above, the respondent authorities shall do the needful with regard to the transfer order of the with regard to the transfer and posting of the petitioner, where proper medical facilities for the special child of the petitioners, which we properly require requisite medical facilities along with physiotherapy therapy and oblique or rehabilitative therapies are available. Particularly the places noted above in the communication dated 18/08/2023. The above observation and direction, the writ petition stands disposed of.
But there is one solution. In Agartala, there is no speech facility. We had an order of that Agartala District Disability Rehabilitation Center. They say that they do not have any. So, out of these stations, the Agartala cannot be one of the places where the posting can be sought.
During the deliberation of the matter, Mr.
H. Pitala
submitted that in the at Agartala, the speech therapy is not.
Speech and language therapy.
You just put it down. Speech and what is not available. All the respondent authorities in the Assam Rifles shall verify the same. Such therapies are not available for the special child of the petitioner. It's not.
Even in Dimapur and Kohima, these facilities are not. They will examine.
Kohima has a good hospital.
Yeah, please, Lordship. I am appearing in item number 20. S41.
Lordship, I have filed my affidavit in this matter. 22.
No representation on behalf of the petitioner on call. They submitted by me for a study concept for an effective affidavit has been filed in the matter, which is not available in the case record. List of affidavits. The petitioner may file his reply, if any, regard to the affidavit of the respondent transport department.
I'm deeply obliged, ma'am.
Lordship, in this matter, we have misplaced the records. I inquired in the office, but it is not available. So may I pray that a copy of the writ petition may be supplied to me and I'll get the instructions and the presentations.
Already 4 copies, my lord.
That is the difficulty. Every time they'll change and that doesn't
My
match your
lord.
file.
My lord, at short date maybe.
You should stop giving hard copies. Give them all soft copies. That's the best for you. That you should give all of them, all of them will have the soft copies in
My
there.
lord, we'll file our affidavit in the matter. The file had been handed over.
I was not aware of this.
Okay.
2 weeks' time may be granted, my lord. We'll file a detailed affidavit as far as the status of the.
Mr. Ezeatia, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, and Mr. B. Hendik. Am I correct? Standing counsel.
My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of K. Kumar, my lord. Additional, Kumud Kumar, additional agent.
For the respondent numbers 1, 2, 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Order takes time to the respondents to submit their affidavits in the matter. During which 2 weeks, the court shall consider to pass consequential order as notice in this case was issued 21/09/2022.
Thomas. 2 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks, 3 weeks.
3 weeks. No, make it 3 weeks, my lord. Already there.
Let it. We know what to do thereafter. Mr. Chaudhary, in the Assam government office, you have all facilities.
Think so, Lord.
Just enquire from, because we'll be considering to give you soft copies. That will be better. We should do in soft copy. We are doing in soft copy. Right?
Lordship, here I have received instruction, Lordship, 10 days time, Lordship.
Give us a date by which you will file your Lordship.
Lordship may take it up on 13 or 15, Lordship.
On which date you will file your affidavit? Give us that date.
By 11, I will. I think.
Right. Okay. It is submitted at the bar that the respondent BTC shall file its affidavit.
SSL.
Sorry,
SSL.
respondent SSL shall file its affidavit on or before 11/9/2023. In video book, place this matter on (22nd) 22/09/2023. After filing such affidavit by the respondent SSA, the petitioner is allowed to file its reply, if any, on or before 20/09/2023.
Wait, please, your lordship. Well, lordship, may kindly see the last order, my lord, 2206, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Handy.
There is a small issue here, my lord. On a bare perusal of the letter, my lord, Annexure 3, page 60. There are certain discrepancies with his date of birth in the service records. The concerned official had written to the Kokrajhar Mahakama Parishad. My lord, that is not coming under the PNRD department. It's a 6th schedule area. It's in the BPC region, Kokrajhar. So, it's outside the ambit of the Panchayat department, my lord. VCDC is what is operational in the BPC areas, my lord. The Panchayati Raj system does not exist there.
No, it was under which Jilla Parishad?
Kokrajhar Mahakama Parishad, my lord. His last service was in this, his last posting was in this particular Mahakama Parishad. The letter is in at page 14, my lord.
Kokrajhar Anjalik Panchayat. He had superannuated from Patgaon GP in Kokrajhar Anjalik Panchayat.
Third, Mr. N. J. Rattul, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, and Mr. B. Hendrik, Standing Counsel PNRD for the respondent numbers 1 and
Not
2.
1, 2, just 1 and 2.
Registry shall reflect the name of Standing Counsel BTC for the respondent numbers 3 and 4. In the meanwhile, petitioner shall serve requisite extra copies to the Standing Counsel BTC for the respondent number 3 and 4 on or before 21/08/2020, 29 28/09, 28/08/2023. List on 1st of September.
Next to non-payment of the pensionary benefits of.
My lord, we have written to the authority, my lord, to forward the pension proposal on 10th of March 2023. No proposal has been submitted, my lord.
Proposal not submitted.
Not submitted.
Which department?
My lord, Health and Family Welfare.
So I'm appearing for the health. Lordship here. Lordship may give us some time. Lordship, I'll
sufficient time.
Yes. Lordship may list it immediately after the.
We are doing it. We are giving you time.
Yes, sir.
We'll have it on 11.
Lordship.
Just give us that later. Matter pertains to non-payment of pensionary benefits to petitioner or family pension.
Lordship, no, it's pension lordship. She was working as joint director of the.
To the petitioner who retired as what?
Lordship, she retired as deputy director.
Where is it? Where is
The joint director of nursing, lordship.
Where is it?
Lordship.
Joint director of
She was served as a joint director of health service nursing. My lord,
joint
page
director
6.
of health service
Page
nursing who retired from service
Page 6, Lordship. There.
on which date?
She retired 31/1/2018. My lord. Page 6.
Joint director of health service from Guwahati. She was posted where?
Guwahati, lordship.
Joint director of health services, Guwahati, retired from service on
2018.
31/1.
Yes, lordship.
2018 on attaining the age of superannuation at the age of, it was 58 or no, it was 60 years.
Yes, sir.
It is seen that the Accountant General AGA Assam by a communication dated 09/03/2023 wrote to the Secretary Government of Assam in the Health and Family Welfare within bracket A Department, even administrative. Regarding non-receipt of pension proposal of the petitioner. As such, requested the authority concerned to furnish the pension proposal of the petitioner in a correct and complete shape, enabling the office of the AGA Assam to settle and authorize the pensionary benefits to the petitioner at the earliest. List on 11/09/2023. The said that the respondents in the Health and Family Welfare Department shall place a copy of the relevant communication by which it has forwarded the pension proposal of the petitioner to the SDA Assam.
Lordship.
Full and complete
Lordship.
pension proposal of the petitioner.
There was a direction earlier, Lordship, to pay the provisional pension.
In the meanwhile, the respondent authorities and the health shall pay the family provisional pension to the petitioner if not already paid.
Lordship.
As per her entitlement in accordance with law, if there is no other impediment.
With the Lordship. So this is also Lordship relating to pension matter, Lordship, but the respondent, Lordship, they were supposed to file affidavit, Lordship.
My lord, we have not yet received the instructions, my lord. I will do it, my lord.
Answer, no. Okay, we'll have it on 11. Give it to us. List on 11, allowing Mr. R. or the up-to-date status regarding the payment of the pension proposal of the petition. Yes.
Lordship, this matter relating to non-payment of arrears salary, decision leaving replacement of Assam Printers Development Corporation, Lordship.
Arrears salary from 2008. Read petition, how can we allow you? Earlier, some orders of the courts are available in your favor. You are aware.
Continuously not paying, Lordship, till 2021.
Lordship, in respect of arrear salary, Lordship has already passed similar orders.
See, that's not the case, but he is a retired person. Why? There has to be some reason, right?
Yes,
Let us see.
Gratuity and leave income also not paid, Lordship. So similar matters are pending, Lordship, and it is on the 15th of September, Lordship.
This
the serious matter, Lordship.
I will tell you, my lord, what will be the practical problem. Because my that series of matter, they are the
We are
direction.
not joining with anybody.
My
This will be individual.
My lord, my prayer would be, my lord, let the corporation at least file their affidavit. At least let them verify what is his entitlement, my lord. Then only, my lord.
Okay, fine. Matter pertains to non-payment of pensionary benefits as well as arrear salary to the petitioner by the respondent Assam Plains Tribes Development Corporation Limited. Issue notice. The notice was issued on 15/03/2023. List on 15th of September. Enabling the respondents number file its affidavit without fail on or before 13th of September.
Extra copies needed.
Because, my lord, already
Lordship,
my lord
extra
has, in
copies.
that series has passed an order stating that on the next day we will try to, my lord, if we have dispersed all the money, my lord, in which account is those has gone. If now you take it, then it will become again problem for us.
You do it, file your affidavit by that. We'll have it on.
Lordship, extra copies
Mr. Mas, you have copies for your benefit.
obliged, Lordship.
May I please? My lord, on the last occasion, suspension matter, my lord, there were two reviews. There was one more review made. I told my lord that review was made beyond the time.
What is there, Mr. Bora?
Your Lordship, records, I have just received it, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the thing is, I have to go to records and also we have
Only
received the
thing that they have to see is
Pairwise
Wednesday.
comments also. Wednesday.
We'll have it on Wednesday.
Or Thursday, Your Lordship.
No. You are giving
And
only
also,
extra.
actually, we have received the pairwise comments also. By
Pairwise
that time,
is not
we will
written,
do
but
what
let
we file the
See the
affidavit.
record in the last 100. If you want to file your affidavit, you file while giving time.
Yes, Your Lordship.
In the prayer of the council for the parties, list on witness.
On the next day, my lord, they'll produce the records. This records. Oh, I see.
Please, my lord, matter relates to pension, my lord. The pension has been released, my lord. Legal.
But difficulty is, every time you have to come to the court to get your pension also. That's
My lord,
very
even
painful.
provisional pension have been stopped, my lord. At least provisional pension let them continue, my lord, till decision of
There
the
is
my
a
lord,
difficulty, Your Lordship.
final pension.
It is written in that instruction, Your Lordship, why provisional pension cannot, because PPO has been issued. Just that, that's why provisional pension was stopped.
Let them decide.
When it was issued.
Uh,
I think 39/2021 possibly, my lord. They issued the PPO. They fixed the pension wrongly, my lord. They have said that there is a excess payment, and according to me, my lord, it is not excess. But even then, my lord, to get the pension, I paid that amount also, my lord, to justify my claim, my lord. 1,20,638. That also, my lord, I'm paying for return money.
Heard Mr. M. Saranyal and counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. D. Bora. Learned. No. A. Soliha, standing counsel finance for the respondent number 1. Mr. D. Bora for 1 and 6. Mr.
1,
D.
5,
Bora,
1 and 5, Your Lordship.
2, 2. 5 also no. You will be appearing for 2 and
2 and 5, Your Lordship.
2 and 5. You will be appearing for Azzy. Madam. What's your good name?
P. Swargyari. Correspondent
Okay,
number
Assam.
3 and 4.
Respondent numbers 3
Lordship,
and
I have also furnished an instruction from the office.
Making more access to the access here.
during the deliberation of the matter, it is placed before the court that the office of the principal accountant general within the in Assam on 30/12/2021 issued the pension pay order number 943611281991. Retired senior assistant in the office of the
Deputy Commissioner Udalguri.
Deputy Commissioner Udalguri. It is also seen that a said PPO has been received by the office of the Deputy Commissioner Udalguri on 15/07/2022, wide receipt number 8892. Since the petitioner has been paid along with the pension, along with what? In view of the above, this petition being in flux was stands closed. Copy of the pension pay order. Copy of the communications along with the pension pay order and other relevant documents placed before the court by Mr. D. Bora, Government Advocate Assam, as well as by Madam from the SNS indicated the part of that.
My lord, that has been issued in 2021 July. Till now, they have not paid. My lord, so keep pending. My lord, let them pay me, my lord.
Lordship, then I have to seek instructions regarding this particular issue.
Even after issuance of PPO, he has not been paid.
That's what he's saying.
July 2021, my lord. July 2023, my lord.
Because received in
Because my lord, they have said that the fixation of pay is, my lord, wrong. Pension, my lord, amount is wrong because they have excess payment. That until unless that dispute is resolved, my lord, they cannot. They are not paying, my lord. Let them pay me the
one thing, Mr. Bora.
provisional pension.
Then I have to seek instructions, Your Lordship, regarding the president. Whether
Are
he
you
has
sure not paid?
No, my lord, I'm not paying. Even no, my lord. From July, my lord, I'm not getting, my lord. 2021.
On the next date fixed, it is submitted to the bar by Mr. Serenial and counsel for the petitioner that he hasn't been paid the pension till date, regular pension till date, nor provisional pension since.
And the case has been filed, my lord, 2023, my lord. The PPO has been issued 2021, July.
2022, since July 2022. On the next date fixed, the Deputy Commissioner Udalguri, respondent number
5, I think.
5 shall apprise the court as to whether regular pension has been paid.
5 and 6, my lord, treasury also.
5 and 6. Deputy Commissioner Udalguri as well as Treasury Officer Udalguri shall apprise the court as to whether pension has been paid to the petitioner. Monthly pension is and if not, and if not, the reason for the same. Placed on 12th of September.
Can I get a copy from my learned friend, my lord? Otherwise, my lord, I have
My lord, against one of the order, my lord, a writ appeal was preferred recently, my lord. In the writ appeal, my lord, the earlier order has been maintained. Only thing is, it has been said, my lord, in the event the board succeeds, in that case, it will be adjusted. Refunded. Last order, no?
Adjusted.
No, adjusted. Adjusted in future payments. My lord, on 8/8/23, I am reading it, my lord. This, sir, we make it clear that in case of appeal being allowed, the pensionary benefits being able paid to private respondent number 1 on the basis of revision of pay rule of 27 shall be adjusted in future payments. So by maintaining the same thing, my lord, this matter can also be disposed of.
My lord, I would like to humbly submit that since that issue has not attained finality, appeal is pending, and the appeal has been fixed for hearing on 29th of September.
We'll do one thing.
21/9.
Best thing will be,
so, my lord,
let the appeal be disposed of.
Lordship.
And you make a mention after disposal of that.
Lordship.
Matter will be listed, but because you'll be in the meanwhile be getting this one.
My lord, I may only indicated one thing. At the time of admission, extensive hearing was done. Even on 8/8, my lord, lot many arguments were advanced. Court said nothing doing. All right, if you succeed, then we will do. And my lord, the prima facie issue is on which date
Now, let us assume if the appeals are allowed, then what?
If they appeal, then it will be adjusted. I am entitled to pension, so the excess payment will be adjusted.
Will be refunded, my lord. Instead of earlier 2 orders are there, because they already retired, there is no question of adjustment.
Adjustment against the
No, other payment is not there, my lord.
Pension, no?
That's why
No,
our-
there is.
From
Mr. Kopiku, you
pensionary
can
benefit, it
understand.
will be a difficult task for refund
We
and
can
all these things.
understand.
In any case,
Why
appeal
don't you
is
get a
pending, kindly.
clarification here? that If you pay, because this is an order by the division.
Correct.
So there has to be some kind of conditional, right? That, as you know, they have to submit an indemnity bond.
Indemnity you have given.
That if you pay, that he is recoverable from his pensionary amount
Yes,
or
yes.
something.
Well,
You get that at
No,
least from the
from
dependent-
pensionary benefits.
Exactly. That you obtain it because if you are paying him that benefit and after the appeals are, if allowed, it needs to be recovered because being pensionary amount, you will not able to recover. So get that clarification and be done.
But
It's
I
not
was
a
just,
big thing.
I was just thinking, my lord, now gratuity payable is 7 lakhs. After revision, it is payable, the amount is 15 lakhs. Amount is quite high.
8 lakhs.
Quite high. But that is why, my lord, if kindly consider that.
See, we do not know.
After the disposal of the appeal.
We will not say anything, but we are surprised. We are consuming same electricity, but once you have started giving smart electricity meter,
the bills have gone up.
It's going up like anything. We do not know how much we are consuming.
No, but
what is the magic in there? We do not know. Everybody ask, everybody said everybody is suffering.
Sometimes at one point of time, I asked them, the earlier meter, it doesn't record for mobile charging, it doesn't record any consumption. Now the
But
smart meter, it counts that one
No,
also. Mobile charging also.
No, smart meter was replaced by board long back. I still remember, my lord, that earlier those big things were there. Those were changed sometimes in 2009-10.
No, there are two kind of smart meters. One was transmitter is you have to prepaid and postpaid. Now it has become whichever postpaid it is automatically indicate you.
Meter is meter consumption to servo.
Something is wrong somewhere. We don't know. We are consuming same electricity. Maybe
but
the
paying more.
units are more. Maybe we do not know the price. Maybe, but we have a doubt with that meters. Everybody is paying high. Everybody is running helter-skelter for that.
Correct.
So many applications are pending before ACB, probably APDCL for correction. To ask, I don't know what is happening.
But both these companies, they are not with the distribution wing. We are for the generation, and the other company is for the.
We should get hold of APDCL.
the
Some
grid-
magic is there.
grid, Malad. It is-
Definitely some magic is there.
Yes.
I don't know about you, Mr. Chaudhary.
The same thing, my lord.
I've been told that everybody is suffering.
Everybody.
My lord, why don't you correct it? Just get that thing clarification for Honorable Division Bench. You are scared because if this order is passed, there may be a possibility not able to recover it from the pensionary amount.
My lord, we have already given, in terms of the earlier order, in the 3 cases where the Lalit Singhal judge has passed order, we have given indemnity bond. So here also we will give.
My
lord, supposing the appeal is dismissed, then they should pay interest.
Yes.
Then my lord, lordship will add one condition. If the appeal is dismissed, then they will pay interest. Yes, then I'll agree.
Since the
No.
order has not attained finally. That is why.
That's an equitable consideration, my lord.
Single order still holds good.
If
Must
there is
stay.
any difficulty in payment because it is in the higher side, that is a different issue. Right?
No stay.
But I think Mr. Nath,
No, my lord, that condition should also be there.
the
In the
condi-
event their appeal is dismissed, then they should pay interest on the
No,
amount.
there is no order in respect of the petitioner as on
Yeah,
today.
tomorrow we have to
As on
declare
today.
it is.
It is the issue is.
You have
pending.
not filed any
That is what I am saying.
appeal. You have not filed an appeal against this matter. That's why matter hasn't come. But if
And they have not preferred any appeal. It is only APDCL who has
No,
filed.
APGCL has filed. Our company has filed. Our company has filed. No?
because probably this matter, the employee was under APDC. Here is
AGCL.
No, APGCL has filed the appeal. Our company has filed the appeal. The appeal number 272 of 23, it is by the APGCL, Assam Power Generation Company Limited.
CCL for all the 3 systems.
Correct.
Based on that judgment.
Yes, yes.
If that judgment goes below, everything goes.
Yes.
Otherwise, the interest of the petitioner will be protected. The companies are there, they will not run away.
My lord,
If lordship helps,
My lord,
ultimately it is
asking
paid.
for a higher retirement as per their entitlement. They're claiming for it.
No, the
Matter will be
issue is,
decided.
my lord, issue is on 31/3/2016, whether I was a pensioner or I was still in service. If I am a pensioner, I'll not, they're right. But if I was in service, then my lord, I am entitled to the benefit.
But one thing we have,
That is the issue.
where is that case? It has to be counted from, not for a pensioner. The last date. I was reading it, I forgot.
No, normally also under the fundamental rules also, my lord, that they has to be counted. In any case, we were all released on 4 noon at 5 p.m. They themselves say. Yes, coincidentally, that is the date of retirement.
That is the issue the court will decide.
Yes, it's already decided.
No, it is
Just
pending
tell us,
before the
Mr.
court.
Na,
It is
the person who is
appeal is
retiring
pending.
on a
Lord.
particular date. Till that afternoon or late evening, late early evening, if he signs some order,
Yes,
it will
then-
not be effective.
So it is
Why it is effective?
Because in service.
That means on that day he was in service.
Yes.
in service.
Normal. So where is that thing will come? He will be retiring on the very next day. If it is 31st of March, then
On the
he
same
resign
day.
from 1st of April.
I'll
In
become
that case-
pensioner on 1st April.
1st April. No, but on 31st of March, he was holding.
Yes, I was very much in service.
We have written it. I just couldn't recollect. The date should be, there is a judgment. Tell us what to do.
My lord will pass a similar order giving them.
What is the hitch from your side? Because you have to pay more.
Monetary thing is there. Otherwise, the issue is also pending before the division bench. That is.
These 3 companies, pensionary matter deal by our company. Whatever the entire pension comes from the state government. Already we, on the basis of calculation, payment already we receive. And we have to submit a fresh proposal. So on the basis of
Supplementary grant, supplementary or contingency.
And that's the difficulty when the government will sanction, because otherwise, on the basis of calculation, below, the entire amount provided by the government. And we are, as a trustee, we are.
Let it be on Wednesday, we'll pass the order.
My lord.
I'll also sit at that.
My lord. My lord, I'll just make one submission on that day. If there is a court order, then my lord, it is not required to be even voted by the assembly also.
Yes.
Article 204.
Yes, sir. One of the argument you have placed that, I remember.
Judges' salary, court orders, then there need not be any vote.
Okay.
Deep level. Deep level.
The only thing is the records will be required. The records are given by whom? By the government.
Mr. Dhar, you are appearing?
My lord, I will appear. I will get the record. I will keep you.
One thing, my lord, I like to submit, my lord, as a petitioner, my lord. But there is a contradiction. He said that 2009-10 selection procedure was held, and there is a manipulation of marks by this review petitioner, and even that marks is added, his less marks get than this writ petitioner respondent, my lord. Now, second aspect, my lord, there is a communication said that he was appointed in 2012, and his purported selection is 4/12/2012. But this communication says after 9-10, no selection was held. So that record may be called whether 2012 when selection was held.
Right, he will guide us, right? I've been told in the court that you had some health issues. Someone took time, 1 day or 2 days, or not you.
Senior eye problem.
Oh, that, last occasion I was some eye problem, my lord. That is why today I am okay, my lord.
Yes, tell us.
Subject to my lord, when they can produce the
When will you
records?
file the affidavit?
My lord, by 2 weeks, my lord. Because my lord,
Give us a date. Accordingly, we'll ask Mr. Dhar to produce the record.
immediately after 2 weeks, my lord.
Give us a date. File your affidavit by 8th of September.
Lordship.
Right?
Lordship.
We will have it on 14th.
Lordship.
And Mr. Dhar, on 14th you have the record. You petitioner shall file it without it's only one. Get Mr. Dhar. Send it back to the-
May I place the instruction? Regarding payment of area honorarium to the female helpers. Real lordship will post the matter after 4 weeks or so, and this letter may be kept as a part of the record. The old pending matter in between officers have changed. Even then we are having the inspection and they are deliberating on the issue. In fact, the verification has been made, the admissible amount is 67 crores. At the rate of rupees 50 per month.
My lord, Mr. B. Gogoi, Standing Council Finance. Original है copy at Standing Council Finance. Place a copy of the communication number BB34/2022 dated 19/08/2023 of the state government independence within the budget department issued by the Secretary Government of Assam, the Finance Budget Department. CF means credit for
and CF means some contingency fund it will be most probably.
Last I think
Lordship will indicate CF only because it will have a different meaning.
CF advance proposal amounting to 6720.00 lakh for making budget provision toward payment of area honorarium female attendants in compliance of the court's order dated 23/10/2017. Passed in WPC number 900/2013 and other connected cases. It is also placed before the court. The finance department also is placed before the court. The finance department by the check communication dated 19/08/2023 also placed before the court. That the higher authority of the government decided to consider the same in the next assembly session by way of as the proposal. Mr. Gogoi, Standing Council Finance, submitted that the officers plus respondents named in these contempt petitions have already retired or transferred out of the department, and that present secretary and the other officers of the finance department are taking up the matter for consideration. In view of the above, place these matters on 10th of October. Sufficient time for that.
My lord,
copy of the communication dated 19/08/2023 placed before the court by Mr. B. Gogoi, Standing Council Finance, be kept as a part of the record.
My lord, one, my lord, observation may be, my lord, recorded lordship. Earlier, many times, lordship, in the name of budget lordship, the finance has taken, my lord, time.
I'll see to that. It has come from the finance. This earlier it was not from the finance. I have noticed.
My lord, there was a submissions and records
from the health department.
I know that.
Now, my lord, for budget lordship, submission was made this on in this on our code, and that was recorded lordship.
I appear for the response number 2 in item number 51. Item 51, response number 2.
This case.
51.
Like that.
May I please use Lordship? Lordship, in this matter, our petition, review petition has been misplaced, my lord. So some time may be granted. my lord.
Tell us when. Tell
So
us.
it's in,
Don't say like that, Mr. Sharma. Give us a specific date. It will help you, it will help us both.
yes. 18th of September, my lord. In the meantime, certified copy may be accepted. No, extra copy.
On the prayer of Mr. U. Sharma, Standing Council, Department of School, Secondary Education. Matter be listed on 18/10/2023.
18th,
Sorry, 18th
September.
September 2023 to which the council for the answer has no update.
My apologies, Lordship. Actually, leading counsel Mr. Piak to suddenly leave for some health issues. I don't have the brief actually, but actually in the last order in this matter, order was issued to the Standing Council UGC to appoint inquiry officer to verify the degree obtained by the petitioner from Maghachi University. Lordship, if SC UGC would have appeared, then they would have known better. We are informally informed the Lordship that inquiry officer may have been appointed. Date may be fixed, Lordship.
Registry shall reflect the name of Mr. A. Somua,
Yes, Lordship.
Standing Council UGC in the cause list. A. Somua, huh? Against this item. Okay.
Lordship, kindly date may.
List on Twelfth.
Much obliged.
Yes, Mr.
May I please?
Mullah, what's the matter about?
My lord, the matter relates to my lord family pension regarding my lord two wives, my lord. I am the first wife, my lord. Respondent number 9 is the second wife, my lord. And my lord, on the strength of nomination, my lord, second wife is my lord receiving the family pension, my lord. Behind my back, my husband, my lord, did it, nominating the second wife, respondent number 9. And on that instance, she is receiving, my lord. I am depriving, my lord. And now, my lord, I am the first wife, my lord. Kindly see page, my lord, 28. Page 28, my lord, kindly see death certificate. This is the death certificate, my lord. My husband name Ahed Ali, my lord, died on 8/9/2021. Mother's name Rubjan Bewa. Then, my lord, number 1 Marzina Khatun, that is me, my lord, and 2 Amina Khatun. Respondent number 9. And on the last occasion, my lord, respondent number 9, my lord, was directed to file affidavit, my lord, and pension and counsel on behalf of the pension department also, my lord. Kindly see the last order.
You are appearing for whom?
Respondent number 9.
Why are you not sharing your pension with the first wife?
Lordship, the deceased husband has nominated me, Lordship.
But whether the petitioner is the first wife or not?
Oh, yes, that was, but she had divorced.
Where is the divorce order?
Lordship, we have been directed to file affidavit in
Where is the
opposition.
divorce order? Since you have not filed, you have to give it to now. Otherwise, we will say she has not been divorced. So she is entitled for. That is why you have directed to file affidavit.
Yes.
Where is the order of the divorce?
Lordship.
No such order, my lord. They are lingering the matter.
Lordship, we will file affidavit in opposition, Lordship. 2 weeks time may be granted.
Earlier, how much time was granted?
Earlier, my lord, twice.
Earlier, how much time was granted?
last, my lord, posted on 22 of May, my lord, 22nd of May. And there, before also, my lord, they were directed.
So tell us. Response number 9 submitted before the court that during the lifetime of Ahed Ali, Grade 4 Chowkidar, Jaleshwar ME School, District Gwalpara, divorced the writ petitioner Marjina Khatun, first wife of said Ahed Ali. As such, the court, by order dated 22/05/2023, directed the said respondent number 9 to file an affidavit in that regard with all the relevant documents fixing the matter 28/06/2023. The matter was taken up for consideration before the court today. That the respondent number 9 having filed any affidavit in the matter. And the counsel for the respondent number 9 has prayed for some more time. When did he expire?
Expired, my lord, on 8/9/2021.
The respondent number 9 is allowed time to file its affidavit with all the relevant documents regarding the divorce of the late. It has been acknowledged on or before 12th of September 12/09/23, list on 15/09. It will be a feeling which the court shall proceed with the matter in absence of such affidavit of the respondent number 9.
Maybe last chance, my lord. Otherwise,
thereafter nothing is required. Yes.
Obliged.
What, Mr. Sharma?
Yes,
What
my
is
lord, but
happening?
petitioner was initially appointed as the assistant teacher of Hoop Guwahati Girls Semi School on 5/6/1992. That school was amalgamated with the Hoop Guwahati Girls High School in the on 4/9/2017. And on 19/8/2023, last, though I am senior to the school, man, I have been transferred, my lord, in violation of the guidelines issued by the department on 5/5/2013. In 5/5/2013 notification under clause.
Will you be able to give us the seniority list of your school?
My lord, I have annexed. my
Duly
lord.
signed by the headmistress or headmaster. whoever.
Paragraph 10, I have mentioned. From ME school, I am the senior most teacher.
No, now you are in high school, right?
Yes, my lord.
What is the seniority position?
Not seniority position. Till today, I am
Now
not
you are receiving graduate scale or intermediate scale?
intermediate.
You have the amalgamation order.
Yes, my lord.
What is the name?
Annex, my lord, page
You are Gita
17.
Soikia.
Yes.
Gita Soikia.
That order has not yet been furnished to me, but the headmaster has asked me to move to the transfer school. Today I am on leave. I have also submitted representation to consider my case on 23rd of.
Now
21st
from
of-
here it is difficult to understand who is assistant teacher arts, assistant teacher science, who is a language teacher. How will you know?
My lord, in ME school, so my post is assistant teacher. Since I am coming from ME school. Page
But
21.
there may be a science teacher also in the ME school. Who is the science teacher in the ME school?
No science teacher. One number of clearing number. Page 21, my name reflected at serial number 17.
What is your age?
55.
Okay. From your school, how many have been transferred out in the name of rationalization?
My lord, one Lila Soduri, paragraph 10, she was also transferred, but today, as per our information, that order has been stayed my lord, by the inspector of school.
Then
And total human benefit. Iva Talukdar also. Iva Talukdar was also transferred, serial number 6.
how many teachers have been transferred out
That order
from
has
that
not,
school?
that order has not been furnished, but my name is reflected at serial number 30 in the transfer order.
Your transfer order was issued when?
19/8/2023, but that order has not been furnished. But I was asked to verify and inspect the order. I have inspected the order and my name is reflected at serial number 30.
Serial number?
30.
You have been transferred to which school?
Not and Patakil, my lord.
Patakil?
Yes, not on Patasil Town High School.
It's a very good school.
Guwahati.
Very good school. You do not want to go.
My lord, since I am
Where
senior.
do you stay?
Anjabari, no?
It's near to my residence. Very good school.
Beltola, my lord, Guwahati.
Where is your present school?
Present se Pub Guwahati, Sanmari, my lord.
So,
Pub Guwahati Girls High School. Communication problem, my lord, from Beltola.
yes, lots of very good communication. Tuk-tuks are there. You can come silently.
No. Presently, I'm coming directly to Sanmari.
They are also directly. Backside by the national highway. There are key road, service roads are there.
My lord, since the amalgamation order, that transfer order is in violation of the amalgamation order.
Why?
Rationalization order. I'm the senior most teacher. So first, junior teacher should move.
Mr. Sharma, tell us what to do now.
My lord, I have filed representation, my lord. That representation may be disposed of until then, my lord, I may be protected.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, tell us.
My lord, they have filed the representation on 21/8/2023.
We don't know, there is no receipt order.
Here's nobody received My lord, the registration, this letter.
Now just tell us what to.
It is
The
received, my lord.
petitioner is telling us that he is one of the senior most.
Still order is not issued to him, my lord.
No,
Order has been
not been issued. But have you been released?
My lord, over telephone, I was asked to join in my transfer school, but I am on leave today. Headmaster has informed me over telephone. Otherwise, he will take my.
Without the order, how can you leave? Where is the transfer order?
My lord, order is in our WhatsApp message. My lord. I have seen the order, but I have not annexed the order. On 19 August.
Give us your order of transfer. How will
It
you
is a
know?
common order, my lord, common order.
Doesn't matter. Everybody is having a
Common order, but
common order. Thereafter, separate orders will be issued to you.
till today I have not received that copy, my lord. I am also not released
So
from the
then
school.
keep quiet. As soon as you
Headmaster
receive
has not yet released, my lord, though over telephone I was asked to join. But I have not joined, my lord, till today.
what time you receive
My
the
lord, since the representation is not received by anyone, so he may file the fresh representation and
Even yesterday evening 4:30. But representation may be
Mr.
disputed.
Sharma do one.
Yes.
It's 2:30. Not late. We'll take up this matter on Monday.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Stop. What you will do? You'll just tell us that the petitioner position in this particular school, Guwahati High School.
Yes.
Take the list from the headmaster of the Guwahati High School, seniority position. Get it verified by the inspector of and also inquire from the inspector of school how many from that particular school below the petitioner, if she is in the top, have been transferred in the name of president. Right?
Yes.
Get that. We'll do that. Place this matter on.
My lord, on Monday it will be too early.
Mr. Sharma, it's in Guwahati.
Yes,
It's not in Nalbari or Borpeta.
Yes.
From Wednesday, my lord, till then status ko, my lord.
Not on Monday, we'll process. Only after getting instruction by sir. Okay?
My lord, till then, my lord, I am
Don't worry.
forced to join in
You have
the.
not been served with the copy.
That observation
List on
is-
such and such, enabling Mr. U. Sharma, standing counsel, Department of School Education, to place the seniority list of teachers of Guwahati High School along with their date of joining, date of birth, and there are some teacher assistant teacher science, assistant teacher art, language teacher, date of joining in the school, date of joining in the ME school,
6692 date of joining.
such and such school was amalgamated with. As the petitioner earlier served as in the Pub Guwahati Girls ME School, which was subsequently amalgamated with the Pub Guwahati Girls High School, pursuant to the order dated 0409/2000. Probably by this time, you don't have to get ME School. Just like she was a teacher of such and such. Yet now itself, we will ask the inspector.
I will.
He'll give it to you.
Till Monday, my lord.
Place this matter on Monday. Motion. Top of that. Get it. Reflecting the name of U. Sharma. And the council.
Not to force me, man, not to take coercive action, man. By tomorrow.
Why are you worried? You come on for Monday. Go and tell. I'll case. Nobody can do anything. Go and tell.